Hello people, and welcome to another edition of Sabas Foods. Today I'm going to make another cake, and it's a birthday cake and it's for a very special person. The theme of this cake is football, American football to be precise, and I spent the whole day yesterday making these 4 cakes, and they're actually 2 of them are just normal sponge cakes and 2 of them are genoise or genoise, however you want to pronounce that cake, genoise. This one I done in like an oval, and you'll see why, because all of them are going to be stacked on top of each other, and then I'm going to actually shape the shape of the helmet myself. So I'm not using any stencils, it's all freehand. So now I'm just going to make the buttercream. It's just going to have a buttercream filling, and I've got my Philadelphia cheese. I've got my icing sugar. I'm going to sift the icing sugar, and I've got butter. So I've got my butter and my Philadelphia cheese in the bowl there. And I'm just going to whisk it to get it nice and soft. If you want the ingredients step by step, how many grams and everything, then just leave a comment below, and then I can surely put in the ingredients for buttercream for you. Looks creamy texture as well, and to my tasting it's done. Probably need a bit more than that, but that's what we're working with at the moment. Flavoured sugar and water, and that makes the sponge a little bit moist, and that's going to add an added taste to the sponge, because genoise or genoise sponge is very dry sponge. So I'm just going to soak the top of the sponge there, and then I'm going to put a layer of buttercream on. And then keep stacking the layers. This is going to be the top layer there. I've done no measurements. I'm just going out on a limb here, and I'm going to just kind of like hack into the cake. Let's see, there's no template or anything, so So what I'm going to put on now is buttercream. I'm going to put on outside, and that's what you call a crumb coat. That's just to hold the actual icing, the rollout icing that I'm going to put over it, the colour.